Hey there, this is one of my favorite tools of all time, and every kitchen should have one, a cast iron skillet. And it doesn't take a lot of skill to use it. Is that a little corny? I hope so, because today we're going to use this to make skillet cornbread. Making cornbread is quick and easy and uses ingredients you already have in your pantry. Maybe you don't always have the cornmeal. Get it, keep it there, because you're going to make this over and over again. Besides the rich texture and delicious flavor, I love that it can go sweet or savory. You can add some butter and honey and indulge in a treat. Or you can put it with some chili or some pulled pork and really have a delicious dinner. It's a perfect side dish. Enjoy it. It is so good. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.